Make
we remove Richmond
Lamptey, you know.
Me say on extend. So when extend the power no man is Scandia.
So I think that we've gotten to a point in you see a coach man on inquiry recruitment based on the Ogum, you know, or Beposo.
The football set up now we are seeing now. Said they sat down and realized say they say took here there one by Grand Porter. No the players or power, but it's not no. What happens? So the teams you have a style.
Exactly. So my advice to have to think and Asante Kotoko is that they must have a transfer policy, recruitment policy.
I think so.
Long term, short term, and medium term. Not policy, no. Amunfa professionals, not people with interest. Nyankofa board member biya, nadam fubi wa baby, nani nyebi wa baby no be recommend.
People who could be held responsible and accountable if they fail.
They know what they are doing.
Your office, no. Exactly. You answer why?
Now the structures ni yem fancy ho. Before say coach crowd the players so did say empamo bebano. There is a group of people who dig team next year, who go training, who show away matches are, almost so crowd transit, and they ask professional questions. And yes, it will be banner.
Because we can modify it too. Metro data. If you are Togo Krana supporters the players are command, then Togo will refer the player to his transfer people.
Yes.
Sporting director and say, that's what the bar the player by Beposo. They go through the system.
That is it. So there should be a system. The system must be working because clearly, Asante Kotoko, for instance, you pets are Beposo transfer any beam.
Beposo transfer
any players need be a buyer. Clearly, they are not up to the standard of Asante Kotoko. Player be banner coach and Kasa Drew baby no need the confidence to use the player beam. Player or no coach in the cover by. So the two class must learn from that. Matisa wa
na send the BC baby I will swear ya per cover and so no anxiety.
We to do was saying coach Fatena.
You
to coach Fatena. So when you're 6 na omotimi be bomb homodin a yenye gidie. But coach M Faten na be 2 na ye na 8. We just supporters na based on their performance ye be say omo kwan. Na say no e basa na kaba. So there must be a structure. Clearly, coach the players are main poor mobile because you meet most of the Kotoko fans. No, because the coach is part of. Oh, you're part of the system.
No,
but there are other people. No, and your reasons must be professional reasons, must be footballing reasons.
Style of play.
To some extent, you know. Maybe I bought Dauda Yusuf say to him. Machine say. These are his weaknesses. Now I'll list it. They are wrong with the player. Maybe I win a hand. And Nunti, I didn't say,
are you away? Why is it Shaku? Nikes Naku said, dear, or bad
we just say, young you had a brooch. But now, you could feel sad the call, as I actually. I think that the player is still around. In Team Toto, that is one.
But the boy is still demanding his money.
Yes, on Njemu. So both has to focus on Asante Kotoko. Matisse has almost a Watara and bear transfer. He might be in charge, he might be a member, but then you can say Watara and Kwan. Because clearly,
they've gone through some experience. So until the numbers someone try.
No, Mr. Chomo try as a member. And you can say a trying you down on just that to them so I'm professionals.
Okay.
Oh, and yeah, board member people who understand the game. Ghana Premier League net yache. Or matches, they've observed players.